Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Now guys, let's take a look at the gold market. And the gold market situation a bit more interesting compared to euro currency, because here we've got the pattern that we have talked recently, and this pattern is bearish grabber. So you can see here market has made an attempt to change the trend by the MACD, so penetrating this line, standing above the MACD inside the session, but then it has dropped and closed below MACD. This pattern calls by the Chad Napoli as the bearish grabber or MACD failure. So here is where market has failed to change trend in a direction, in opposite direction. So usually the minimum target of this pattern stands around the previous low, since 1204. But we know that actually between current level and this level we not have any significant support. And if market will drop below 1204, it will be the half road to the 1188 target, and probably it will mean the same. So the dropping to the 1204 and reaching on the 1188 is the same, in fact. So this pattern will be valid until market stands below its top. So if market will exceed its top, this pattern will be erased by price action. Overall action here, guys, doesn't look impressive, as we have talked recently. Mostly it's very choppy and gradual action inside of the on intraday charts, and this definitely is the signs of the consolidation, the signs of the retracement. Would not have some kind of thrusting action on intraday charts. This kind of behavior is mostly gradual retracement. Even more, you can see that recent sessions grabber was inside session to the Wednesday. And yes, a lot of different events has been released. You probably know that the producer price index, the Yellen has spoken in the Congress. So this was really volatile session. If you can take a look at the Forex market, so euro currency has dropped very significantly. But the gold market shows no reaction. In fact, it has right now shows no sensitivity to major events in the economy. So Canadian central bank has changed the rate, but no reaction actually has followed in the gold and so on. So it's really poor sensitivity right now to the major events, and no signs of the upward bounce. It really looks heavy, and it's confirmed the idea that probably market should drop further. On the 4-hour time frame chart, our patterns of the harmonic swings market keeps very nice. So actually here, guys, we have the same action as here. Take a look after the long leg completed retracement. First leg retracement, although it was a bit smaller than this one. Then first part of the drop has happened. Second retracement. And right now we should get deep downward continuation. So here it should leg followed approximately $35. It's 1189. So that's an agreement, guys, with the daily major hip support 1188.70. So that's a pattern that we'll be watching for here. Also, guys, here I can see the hidden bearish divergence with the MACD indicator. It's probably could use as an additional detail of the possible downward action. What we have on the hourly chart. On the hourly chart, guys, let's try from left to right. 2 days ago, we have traded this Garters 222 sell pattern. Actually, this was the first attempt to go short, and this was not really bad because market here has completed free support of this leg of the ABCD completion. That's the minimum target that usually Garters reaches. But as a result, that was not the real starting of the downward action. The market has followed to 1618 extension. So that is normal because here we have got, in fact, head and shoulders pattern at the bottom. And you know that head and shoulders usually reach either 100% EB equals CD based on the head and the shoulder, or ultimate targets 1618. And it has been reached. So at the same time, as market stands below this major top, this Garters 222 sell is still valid. And market right now is starting to move down. This action, not really very impressive by far, also very choppy, But here we see that market, when it has broken through the weekly pivot point, wasn't able to continue move right to the weekly pivot resistance one. Mostly it's calling around the break-even point of the sentiment and then starts dropping. Also right now market has dropped below the silver line that we have discussed, and in fact stands right now some kind of the below the bottom of the potential right shoulder. As you can see here, also could become the another hand shoulder special. But this price action, guys, is not very typical to the last part of the hand shoulder special. Usually here is where bulls should take control, but we here would not see something of that sort. Price action mostly anemic. That's why here we could switch our attention to the most recent swing. Why? Because this guy is actually the swing of the bearish grabber on the daily chart, and it will be valid until market stands below this top. Okay, that's why if you would like to trade this stop, or if you would like to use the bearish grabber on the daily chart, you could keep an eye on this possible upward retracement, and then drop your time frame to the 5-minute chart, for example. If you'll see some bearish reversal patterns, you could think about taking the short position. Maybe market will form some kind of the here, some kind of the ABCD retracement up right to the 1220 and retest the weekly pivot point. This is also possible because, guys, take a look at this here. You could recognize the reverse hand shoulders is forming. So this is the left shoulder on the intraday charts, on the 5-minute charts. Probably should be very well visible. This could become head. Another retracement, then will be another shoulder. So ABC retracement could follow. That will give you another bearish pattern here, minor Gartley's 222 sell. So be left wing of the Gartley. So be right wing, right at the fib level. Okay. So something of that sort. So as the normal routine bracket that we usually use when we planning the entry points, when we're taking the positions, something of that sort could be formed here. Keep an eye on that if you would like to trade the daily stop on the bearish grabber. So in general, if you have the bearish view in the gold market and you're searching chance to go short, you could just keep an eye on this stop that we have. So that's what we see right now on the gold market. Situation is very promising, and it's mostly will depend on what clear patterns we have and whether the market will correspond to our expectation, whether it will behave as we expect right now. So if it will be confirmed by the price action, then it's probably we will try to take this trade. If market will show something unexpected, for example, some fast acceleration right here to the upside, that's definitely will be the sign that we should not go short here. So let's keep watching. It's a really interesting situation right now in the gold market.